Okay, how to resize the 1920 1080 HD resolution in um, Photoshop. So here's a picture inside where, as usual, we're going to click on the background and do Control or Command J to make a copy of it. Okay. Then we're going to come here and go to Image Size, Image Size. Okay. Make sure that it's on pixels and not inches or anything else. Okay. If you change one, they'll change them all. Make sure the resolution is 72 dpi. Okay. And then we're just going to change the top one to 1920. Okay. Now notice the bottom one doesn't go to 1080, which is the HD resolution. It goes to 1281. So we still got to crop it after this. We're going to say OK. Okay. And then it's going to get small. So to make it big again, it's either Control or Command 0. Okay. And then we're going to go to the crop tool, which is the fifth tool down here. Click here. We're going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Okay. And then you can't move it left or right, but you can move it up or down. So if you just use the up and down arrow keys, if you want to bring that little top piece that's hanging down over the coffee table, give it a little more sort of headroom, so to speak, I'm just hitting the down arrow key. And then when it's done, I just go ahead and hit enter, or you can hit the little check at the top of the screen. And then you go back and check the image size, okay, and it's 1920 by 1080, and now you just save it out. File, export, quick export as PNG. Now you can export as different file types. You don't have to do PNG every time. But if you come in here, there's all kinds of different ones. You could do JPEG, you could do GIF, but it's usually JPEG or PNG. I like PNG because PNG keeps a transparency if any of your part of your image is transparent. But anyway, export that. Now let's go to the other one and just do the same thing. So we come here. I'm going to get off of the crop tool. I'm going to the top tool. This is the move tool. Okay. Again, I'm going to just duplicate the background. That's just to preserve the original. Okay. I'm going to come here and we're going to go to image, image size, and we're going to make sure they're pixels. Make sure there's 72 pixels per inch. Change this to 1920. Okay. And see, it's not quite 1080. It's 1280. So we're going to say OK. And then Command or Control 0 to make it fill the screen. We're going to go to the fifth tool down, which is the crop tool, and we're going to put it on 16:9. And then this is the crop. Now again, you can move the picture kind of up and down. I don't think this really needs it. I don't need to see that little thing, that little air conditioning vent or whatever that is above the curtains there. So I'm just going to push it up out of the picture. A little distracting. It's like, what is that thing? And once we've got that done, we just you can click the check this time, or you can just hit return on the keyboard. Okay, and then you just check it, image size, 1920 1080, okay, and then we're just going to export again. File, export, quick export as PNG, and save it out. And that's it.